I'm just kind of winging it here, but that looks like the basic geometric shape of the building that you're showing. And just to, what I'm going to do is I put this wall here in the center from here to here. And what I'm going to do then is use the break line tool and break this long wall right there. And we're going to have here and here a gable. Now, what I'm drawing here is kind of going to end up kind of goofy looking, but I can't help that because I don't have your plan file to go from or dimensions or anything. So I want full gable wall here and here. Let me check and make sure that that worked. No, it didn't. Okay, sometimes when you shift select, you don't get everything. Okay, now this on this end is a full gable wall. Full gable wall. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I don't care about ceiling heights in this case. I'm just going to build the roofs and then manually edit from there. Okay, and it's going to look goofy. Oh, yeah, okay. I need to break this wall right there. So that this has the gable command in it. Yeah. I don't think I need it there. I'm going to rebuild the roofs again. Okay, that looks a little bit better. And I'm going to look at it in an overview. And we're getting there. Auto build roofs is kind of hit and miss. Okay, so what I'm going to do now with this is take, this is supposed to be a ridge with this roof plane there. Okay, that's done. And this is supposed to be a gable over here, at least partially so. So what I'm going to do is drag that over there like that, use the break line tool somewhere along in there, and another break line, just like, yeah, like that. So that's what I've got now. See, here's that flat part, here's the gable, and here's the opposing gable. See? I can't see the back side of what you're working on, but that's beginning to look like it, except this doesn't come down as far. And I probably got the geometry off, so, give me a break. So this part creates the apparent flat part. I'm going to break it right here with the overhang edge and bring it up. Let's take a look at that. We're getting there. Now this doesn't come down like that. It terminates where these two meet. So I'm going to go back to this gable here and reshape it some more. These breakpoints are not important. It's just where the software is good at figuring out three-dimensional points. So I'm just going to connect that, connect this, these ridges and valleys. And okay, I think, well, let me take a look at it. See, I'm getting pretty close. I mean, generally speaking, see, here's a gable roof and it goes over and it looks like it's flat because it's been notched out in plan view. Let me check one other thing. So what I want to have happen with this, yeah, I tried to do that before. I'm going to try it again. Okay, they're just not connecting. So I'm going to just reshape this and perpendicular it up, that edge, yeah, like that. And then this I'm going to perpendicular this edge using, yeah, that tool. Yeah, see, the geometry is wrong. Maybe the ceiling heights are higher over here than it is over here. I don't know. But I think what I'm going to do just to put this to bed. Oh, right. It just occurred to me. The geometry is wrong here. I had it going in the right direction. I got the camera instead of the roof plane. It's not working. Okay, I got it pretty closer. We turn the color off and go to a different camera type so we can clearly see what's here. Where's my camera render types there? Is that it? No, that's not it. Icons are similar looking. There we go. That's what I figured it was happening, and this was coming up at an angle. This was, I think, what I need to do. Yeah. See, the join roofs tool doesn't work if the geometry is not fairly close. So I'm going to simplifying that geometry, and now these two ought to connect. If I can select them, there we go, like that. That's basically what you're dealing with, I think. See, in elevation, it looks like it's flat, but it's not really flat. It's just part of this gable that's been notched out for this jog here in the building. You understand? I hope you do. I hope this helps. It's just without the dimensions, I can't get the geometry exactly the same, but I think this is pretty close. I think you'll agree. Let's do an elevation camera. See, it's not the same. This comes down further, but this it looks like this ceiling height over where this roof bears is lower than here, but I'm just guessing. But that's the general geometry of it. Okay, hope this helps you. If it doesn't, well, I tried.